So this is the second visit to it was a leaking stack in communal block of flats. So that was an old repair I've done, just temporary one, just a bit of petro tape around it. So we're here to just swap out that branch today. So make sure it's all nice and clean before cutting. So I'll cut through there, but I can get it off, so just trim it short a bit. Try and make it easy for that. There we are, pulled it through the floor. And it's about, I don't know, the floor's probably 250 mil thick, 300 thick. There's the bottom connection. So I'm just going to stick a slip collar at the top and the bottom. Just trying to get it back in.
I mean, that's right down. So I think it wants to be. Hey?
And that connection on the branch there on the left-hand side.
That's right down.
That just goes off to the toilet in this flat. Bit of silicone spray just to help it slide in.
Can you not move that? Should be able to just wiggle that.
Did take a bit of messing about getting this in. And then once this is all back together, we're going to stick the shower into that box. Get it all back up in here.
Oh yes, perfect.
There we go, that's toilet getting connected again. And the pipe on the right hand side that we had to, that was the crack pipe originally. And that leads off, I think it's an overflow to a boiler. This is the shower going back in. There we are, all done.